Good morning, everyone. Today is Tuesday, March 1st. I'm Marv Eisen of Timeless Dollar. And I start the day, as I do every day, looking at the economic calendar to see if there are going to be any market-moving announcements made during the day. And today, March 1st, there are going to be 4 announcements, none of which, in my opinion, are going to move the market. Certainly, in any case, no more market moving than what's going on in geopolitics, with the war in Ukraine raging. Dow futures, S&P futures, NASDAQ futures are down across the board. Oil is up, slightly trading slightly over $100 a barrel, but we all know what's going on with inflation. Surprisingly and interestingly enough, the 10-year Treasury is trading down at 1.745%. Interesting. So let's move on to our actual market, our actual Emini. Now, this is the Emini of yesterday, and I have my trading zone, the trading zone that I sent out to my subscribers prior to the opening of the session. 42.85 was support, resistance up at 44.03. So it's about a 120-point potential range. Markets opened up over here. Now, let me get this off the screen. Markets opened up at 9:30 at 43.23. I want to make one point in this video, and that point is patience. Students know that I use the word patience, and I say it in my videos, my YouTube videos, and I repeat that word, be patient. And why do I say that? The reason is that the market provides so many opportunities for trades with high potentials and relatively low risk that it's foolish to take trades based on whims. You want to take a trade based on several factors. One, your knowledge of trading. You do know how to trade, right? Number 2, your experience in what the market has done in the past. And 3, your history, your knowledge of history of where the market has been in the recent past. Now, in terms of E-minis, I only am concerned with the price action during the regular trading session. I do not trade pre-market, post-market. So that means I'm trading only between 9:30 a.m., 4 p.m. Eastern. Yesterday, Monday, February 28th, there were 3 trades, all of which had very high potential for reward and relatively low risk for profit. And I'm going to explain them to you. Trade number 1. Trade number 1 was this trade here, which was a gap trade. But importantly, critically, the entry was about an hour, almost an hour, after the market had opened. The entry was not over here at the open. And if you don't know why, you should take my course at timelessdollar.com. Trade number 2, high reward, low risk, was this one right over here, right over here. And again, high reward, potentially high reward, and potentially low risk. Trade number 3, the third trade of the day, another trade, similarly high reward, low risk. Now, and why do I call these trades potentially high reward and low risk? And why are they trades at all? Well, I'm not going to tell you what I tell my students in my course. If you want to learn why, you'll take the course, and it's one of the best courses out there, I promise you. And I'm not I don't load it up with 100 hours of garbage like some other E-mini courses. Only practical information. Why is this a good trade, and why is this the right entry? Why is this a good trade, and why is this the right entry? Why is this a good trade, and why is this the right entry? This wasn't. I'm not calling this wasn't. And look, there's a shooting star over here, almost a shooting star. But it was an okay trade, but it wasn't a great trade. This was the great trade. If you want to be a successful trader, you have to learn patience. And patience means waiting for the great trades, or the trades with the absolute highest potential for reward and lowest risk. And just to give you an idea of what I'm talking about, this trade here had a potential of 50 points. This trade here had a potential of almost 28 points. This trade here, also a potential of 28 points. look, you're not going to get these kinds of rewards by seat of the pants trading. And if you don't know how to read the market, you don't have the knowledge, you don't have the experience, you don't know where the entries are and the exits are, you're not going to be a successful trader. So take my course at timelessdollar.com. In fact, take my free course that teaches you how to avoid the mistakes that most traders make. Take my free course. It's F-R-E-E-E-E, free at timelessdollar.com. You'll be a better trader, a more knowledgeable trader, and the information is priceless. The cost is free. So that's it for the day. Trade safely, use patience. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Marv Eisen for Timeless Dollar.